Hiccups are so irritating, but what are they? Why do they happen? So in our body, we have a muscle here called the diaphragm, which sits below the lungs. And in normal breathing, it extends up to push air out and it flattens down to draw air in. So a hiccup is when this muscle basically goes into spasm. So it contracts in between our breaths, drawing air in between the breath when we don't actually need it. And then because we're taking in too much air, the windpipe quickly closes to stop this, and that's what makes that hiccup sound. So the main causes of this diaphragm muscle going into spasm and therefore suddenly contracting when it shouldn't are medications, overstretching, a sudden shock, or the biggest one is eating or drinking too quickly, which causes the stomach to expand, and that irritates the diaphragm, which is right next to it, and therefore it contracts.